Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so today we are doing this review of the Hyper Tough 20 volt Max 2.0 Orbital Jigsaw. I was looking at these to work on my RV, and I was thinking what's the cheapest I can get, because I'm probably just going to use this like once or twice. And I looked around, I looked on eBay, and these are going for like over 100 used. So I'm like, this is like under 50, 46, something like that. I'm like, you know what? That's a pretty good deal. First off the bat, I just want to tell you guys that this has not been opened yet, obviously, but it's heavy. All right, it's heavy. It's one thing I noticed about it. Before I bought it, I was surprised at how heavy it was. But I'm opening this up, and this is the first time I'm opening this up for you guys. It comes with a charger. Now, Hyper Tough is Walmart's cheapest brand, least expensive. I've had Hyper Tough stuff before. They're not the best, but not the best tools. They break down fast and all that stuff, but they didn't have this on the other what's that other brand that Walmart has, the higher Heart? That's the one. They didn't have this for Heart, or maybe they didn't have it in stock for Heart. I've never actually seen one of these for Heart. But what is this, a vacuum thing? This also has a vacuum. All right, I don't see a, okay, I was looking for the blade. This is the blade. Blade is shorter than I thought it would be, but whatever. And it comes with a 20 volt max battery. This is, I'm in my RV right now, guys. So if you guys looking at this, or guys watching this, why is his sofa so blurry? I'm doing this in the RV. So I took this out because I need to charge this up before I work on it. And anyway, just plugged it in. So there you go. But to be honest with you, for what I'm going to be doing with this is the first time I'm actually using one of these. It's heavy. It's doable. Just off the bat, it looks like the quality is pretty decent. It's not. It doesn't feel too cheap. It doesn't feel too cheap. So it's like 46 bucks. It doesn't feel too cheap. Comes with the blades. Come with this guide. I think this is a guide. I don't quite understand why it comes with this. Why does it come with that? It's like orbital saw, blade, vacuum hose adapter. Vacuum hose adapter for what? You can actually turn this into a vacuum, right? Why would it have a vacuum hose adapter if it does not come with a vacuum? If it doesn't vacuum, does this vacuum? Anyway, somebody explain to me if that's the case. I don't know what the deal with that is. I mean, it's real nice that they actually gave you this for, it's probably for another Hyper Tough something. All right, so yeah, like I said, I've had Hyper Tough stuff before. They're okay. I mean, they're not like professional tools. They're like the most amateur tools, and Heart is their high quality division, and those are pretty decent. But if you guys are looking for something cheap, and you guys aren't finicky about, well, I guess finicky is not the word. If you guys aren't doing these big projects that you guys need like something more stronger or last longer, or these tools, I don't think these tools are meant to last that long, to be honest with you. But anyway, what else can I show you guys? I don't know what else I could show you guys with this. It works. It's a jigsaw. If you guys have a jigsaw, you guys know how these work. You guys probably want me to like like test it out, but it's a jigsaw. It's gonna jigsaw. It's gonna jigsaw. No, what am I gonna say? It's not gonna jigsaw. It's gonna jigsaw and it's gonna work. All right, it's gonna work like it normally does. And this is, as far as the review is concerned, for what it is, it's probably like a really good thing. It's probably like pretty decent for the price, because you could get one of these without the batteries from like any other brand, DeWalt or Caterpillar, or any of these Home Depot brands. What do they have? Makita. Anyway, any of those brands. What's that other brand? Cleveland? No, Milwaukee. Milwaukee, right? Anyway, if you guys have like you guys get these, like, if you guys search for these on eBay with these other brands, they're like, I don't know, they're like close to $100 without the battery, guys. So yeah, so that's my review of it. And just know that this review is, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up for what it is. I'm going to give it a thumbs up for what it is, right? I didn't actually fully review it, but to be honest, it's a full review. You know how Jigsaw works. I'm not going to show you how Jigsaw works because I'm not actually using it right now. I just pulled it out just to charge up the battery for future uses with this. But if this is crappy, I'm going to put a review on it as crappy. However, if it works the way it's supposed to work, I'm not going to put another review out on it, because I'm already giving it a thumbs up right now. Yep, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, what else could I say about this? If you guys are still here, want to make a long story short or whatever, not really a long story, but not really a story at all. Anyway, what else? It's got this thing right here. I don't know what exactly it does. It's got this at different speeds, and well, I'm glad you guys watched this video. If you guys have any of your own personal opinions on this, definitely leave your opinions in your opinion section. Definitely leave a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hope this has helped you guys out. All right, guys. Thumbs up for now. If it doesn't work out too well, I'm gonna give it a negative thumbs up, negative thumbs down. But anyway, I might just do a review on this, as far as, you know, showing how it works. But you guys know how it works. What's the point of that?